Oh my days! Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Fairywill P11 electronic ring toothbrush. Outside the box, I mean, wow. I know it's only a toothbrush, but the box alone, it just simply looks amazing. Guys, how premium looking is this? Wow. Very classy. I love it. To the back, we have some specifications, like the fact that this toothbrush is fast charging. It's also waterproof, it has a smart timer, 3 modes of brushing, and the rest of the specifications we're getting to real soon. There is a contents list just below, and you know what? Just eager to get inside. So without further ado, inside the box. Oh my days! Look how fancy that toothbrush is. And you know what? You can actually give this as a gift. Look how nice that is. Whoa. I really like the matte black look and the gold edge detail. Very premium. Yeah, that's the toothbrush. Let's move it aside just for now. Oh, yes. Look at this. Look at that. I don't think in all my time reviewing products that I've actually come across an electric toothbrush that is well laid out and is super precise on detail. Look at this. This, guys, is an example on how to do business properly. Get your box sorted, that looks premium. Get a toothbrush that's designed absolutely fantastically. And on top of that, I mean, look, for example, look at the charging cable. It's a single pin to USB cable, but just a simple detail on the strap itself. Nice little Velcro strap, just to keep it tidy. And it doesn't actually look cheap, it's just a nice little added touch. It keeps this whole package looking premium. What's this in the middle? Again, the detail, Fairywill, written on the top. Is this a charging pad? Oh, no. It's just a USB connector, see? So this must plug into there. Oh, so you can actually use this cable on your phone. So why have they included this? I'll tell you what, if they've included this just as a little bonus to use the cable to charge some of your devices, this is actually a nice little bonus. I mean, to the right side, you've got a micro USB, and to the left, you've got a Type-C USB for fast charging. Just leave that to the side for now. And yes, we have a replacement toothbrush head. These look like DuPont nylon bristles to me. Yeah, I think they are. And is that it? Is that the last? Oh no, there's something else to the bottom. So you've got an extended warranty of 12 additional months. Nice. Have. Whoa. It's like an accordion. So yes, we got some detailed instructions, and that's about it really. We can have a little read of these off camera, and we'll see what this bad boy can do. First, let me just see what this toothbrush is like. That's another touch as well. Most toothbrushes I get don't actually come with a nice plastic cover. Brilliant, but no need to get my toothbrush mixed up with all the other salivas. No. Looking back to the toothbrush, to the top, we have another detachable head, which can be detached by simply pulling. To reattach a new head, just simply line up on top and press down. Again, this toothbrush head has nylon bristles, and below that we have a power and 3 mode selection button. Oh nice! Check the LED lights, didn't know that lit up. So the 3 mode selection consists of clean mode, soft mode, and massage mode. When it's in clean mode, this toothbrush delivers 62,000 brush movements each cycle. On soft mode, this toothbrush delivers 56,000 brush movements each cycle, and on massage mode, this electronic toothbrush delivers about 56 to 62,000 brush movements each cycle. So to charge this Fairywill P11 electronic toothbrush, just simply grab the charging cable and insert it into the bottom of the handle of the toothbrush. You'll see a nice glowing LED light on the ring, which indicates charging. While this toothbrush is charging, the charging indicator will light in white and flash slowly during the charging process. When the battery is fully charged, the indicator will come on for around about 2 minutes, and it will turn off automatically. After the toothbrush is fully charged though, it is possible to use this toothbrush for 2 minutes per section, twice a day for 30 days. That's 30 days of cleaning on a full charge. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take this away for around about 3 days and see if this Fairywill P11 electronic toothbrush is indeed any good. So guys, I'm back, and after 3 days using this Fairywill P11 electronic toothbrush, I've got to say that it was absolutely fantastic. This is actually the best toothbrush I've used in a long time. I mean, I start with the weight of this actual toothbrush. It's super light. I've tested electronic toothbrushes in the past. The simple design, the look, the feel, the responsiveness, it's actually been a real pleasure. The bristles too didn't collapse. I know I've had a few cheap electronic toothbrushes in the past, and the bristles basically collapse on either side within a week. This one though has held up, and I actually do feel like I'm making progress with the cleanliness of my teeth. The wave pattern on the bristles itself, it gets right into the crevices, and the battery is 100% still going strong. Like I said, I've used it for 3 days. So in the calculation of that 30-day period, I've now got 27 days of brushing left. Woo! I can't reiterate how fantastic this toothbrush actually looks. Another thing as well, the 3-mode selection button. Now you do get a few electronic toothbrushes that just oversells itself, and if it oversells itself, then it comes across kind of cheap. I mean, especially if you see one that's looking like Battlestar Galactica. I've got like loads of lights all over the place and a million buttons with different modes. Well, this one, you don't need different buttons, you just need simple 1 mode, 2 mode, 3 mode. The 3 selections on this has been working fine for me. It's really powerful. Like I said, it's actually light in hand. It doesn't actually feel annoying. I know some toothbrushes, when they're in hand, you can actually feel the vibration from the head shooting right down the body, and in turn it can give you a bit of an irritation to the end of your fingers. I just think it's absolutely a wonderful design, and I think it would honestly be a great gift for any age of person. I think if you want something classy, something that's reasonable in price, then this Fairywill P11 absolutely 100% gets my backing. And that's why today is simple really. Out of my usual rating out of 10, well, I'm not even going to wait around. I've got to give this toothbrush today a big 10 out of 10. For design, for look, for feel, for simplicity, just everything in one package. Right guys, as always, I'll link this Fairywill P11 electronic toothbrush in the video description right down below. Link's just there right now. Go and click it and go and get yours. While you're there guys, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my new video coming real soon, stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace! Can't reiterate how much the look,